Hey Jake, here's what I'm seeing. This is profit pricer. I've kind of got two screens up here. I'm just kind of, hopefully this will work. But what I'm noticing here is that the overheads are off. Now, the direct labor is fine. It's picking up the taxes fine and everything. It's matching exact. But when it comes to the overhead on the profit pricer, on the MP6 tab, I'm not sure if this is calculating correctly. Because this is the difference. When I zero these out, I get an exact number for the overhead. But when I play with these here, I don't get the exact number for the overhead. So I gotta believe that either this is wrong, profit price is wrong, or this is wrong over here. I don't know. You know, I've never tested this to go back, nor do I think I know how to. Let's see, it's company setup E. So that's company setup 7E is where it's reading it from. Company setup 7E. I bet it's just capturing one of these. I don't know what the hell it's doing, honestly. But this here is more, so it's got to be capturing something. I really don't know. I'm not in my wheelhouse. I'm just trying to. I know enough to get in trouble here. That's what I know. So, but I do think that that's where it's coming from right here, the discrepancy. Because I've got a 1235 for HVAC installation department for overhead. And when I go over here to overhead, in the MP12 tab, I get an 1165. So I get a 1235, 11, it's the same for all of them. Like here's the HVAC service department, which is this one here. It's showing 4743 here, and it's 4287 over here. That was the install department we talked about. And then I did a commercial department, overhead 6419, I'm showing 5956. So it's a small number, but it's not exact. Anyways, that's where my head's at. I don't, I'm not sure what is how this all stuff gets calculated anyway, but I do know that when I do look at the overhead over here, I'm only seeing it draw from company setup E7, and I'm wondering, well, now there's E9, E7, E9, E11, and E13. What the hell that looks like. Yeah, so that would be E9, E7, E9, E11, E13. So that, yeah, it is picking all those up the same way. Now, it possibly not picking up the workman's comp. So possibly that's it. Let's see what that looks like. Where do we got a workman's comp? No, it doesn't look like we have a workman's comp picking up the overhead here. So workman's comp is not on overhead. Possibly it doesn't need to be. Hell, I don't know. And it may be doing it over here. Maybe we're catching the workman's comp rate over here as well. But that's surely not the same workman's comp rate for office staff as it would be for out in the field. Because this is field staff workers' comp rate. It's a hell of a lot higher. I mean, office staff is like $1.75, if that. So, and I don't think we captured that here, but we are capturing this workers' comp rate when we look at the breakup here, because we do have the workers' comp rate here. So it is capturing it here. So I don't know. Maybe that's the difference. Maybe that's not different. Maybe we're capturing it all in here with that workers' comp rate, And and in the profit pricing, we're only capturing it on the direct cost, folks, and not capturing it over here on the overhead, folks. So I don't know. That's why you're doing this and not me. All right. Just wanted to give you a heads up. I'll send this, and before our call tomorrow, maybe you can review it. All right. Thanks.